Hi everyone, today we're going to make honey Play-Doh and my friend Boris the Bee is going to help. Online you'll have the instructions on how to make it with all the ingredients. It might be great fun to make it alongside our friends from school. Here we go. I've not made this before, so it's bound to get very messy. Let's see. What do I need first? Let's check I've got everything I need. I've got a bowl. I already washed my hands because it's important to wash your hands. And I best take off my rings because it's going to get very messy, and put them somewhere safe. I've rolled up my sleeves. What next? I need some flour. Let's see. That's not flour. No. Doesn't feel like flour. That must be the water. What's next? That's definitely not flour. I like the colour. So what's next? This must be the flour. Yep. It's all fluffy and soft. I like that. Do you like that? Have you had a feel? Don't drop it on your mums and dads and carers' floor. That would make an awful mess. We need 2 cups. Let's add 2 cups. Here we go. Don't worry about being too precise. 1. What do you think, Boris? Oh, bit more, I think. 2. There we go. 2 cups of flour. What next? It says 3/4 of salt. It's the same colour as the flour. I think we're going to need mums and dads to help here, but I'm going to have a go. Let's see. Tell me when to stop, Boris. You're very good at rationing. Here we go. Let's see. About there, I think, Boris. What do you think? I think so. In it goes. Okay. What next? 1 tablespoon of olive oil. That's a bit big. Don't worry though. I've got my tablespoon, but I still think that's too big. So here's one I made earlier. I'm going to do just 1. Can I do it? Oh, there we go. Would you like to see? Doesn't look like Play-Doh yet. What do you think, Boris? Oops, flowery head. Next, it says 1/4 of a cup of honey. I'm going to test my strength. Okay, Boris, time for you to help, I think. Together. Come on, Boris. Thank you, Boris. Okay. 1/4. Here we go. So, a full cup's there. A half is there. And do like honey. Let's see. Oh, that looks sticky. I'm getting carried away. Let me smell. It smells sweet. Oh, it's going all the way down my jar. Oh dear, it's all sticky. Quick, have a feel. What do you think? It's very sticky. Oh dear, I should have brought a cloth. I'll pop it there and hope I don't get caught making a mess. In it goes. I don't know how this is going to make Play-Doh. In it goes. And then it says 1 cup of water. Let me just get all this out first. Push, push, push. Thank you for your honey, Boris. I know you've worked hard. In we go. Push, push. Excellent. 1 cup of water. Okay. Here's our cup. And it goes 1, 2, 3. Okay. Combine all the ingredients in a large bowl and mix well. Here we go then. Just going to move all these things so you can see me mix very well. And hopefully not make too much of a mess. Here we go. My wooden spoon. And let's begin mixing. That's exciting. Keep mixing. It says keep mixing until it's mixed well together. Don't worry, mums and dads and carers, if it's looking a bit too runny. You can always add more flour. Mix, 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 mix. Mix, 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 mix. Now this is the fun bit, because very soon, guys, you're going to have to do some kneading. That means using our hands. Yuck! That's not nice, Boris. It won't be yuck. Mix, 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 mix. Could do with a mixing song. I think I've made mine a little too wet. I'm going to add a bit more flour. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Let's try a bit more. Mix, 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 mix. Oh, that's looking a bit better now. A little bit more and I think we'll get it out. Oops, that's a lot bit more. Oh no, I'm making a mess. Let's get my flour table ready. If you have a plastic cloth or anything to cover your table and you're going to use food colouring, I would recommend it. If you left it at school, oh dear. Okay, feeling confident. Let's have a look. Let's get it out and start trying to knead it together. Oh, here we go. Luckily my dog's not in the room, so I'm going to put this down. If your dog is in the room, don't put that bowl on the floor. Bunny and dogs get along. It says now we've got to knead it really hard until it's soft and no longer sticky. Oh, it is sticky. What do you think? Is it sticky, Boris? Do you guys think it's sticky? Have a feel, let me know. Shall I have a smell? Oh, I like it though. However, it doesn't remind me of honey yet. It's very nice. And so easy to make. Oh, I can't wait to see your smiley faces making this. It's making Boris happy. Okay. Once we've made it a little bit, it says to separate it out into 3 equal bits. That means the same size. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. I'm lucky. I have got some food colouring. If you haven't, don't worry. It says about 10 drops. This is very strong, but let's see. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to start there. Oop, that's way more than 10. And let's knead it in and see. Let's see if we can work it out together. Oh, my hands are turning colour. I'm going to go all yellow. What will happen? I don't want to be yellow. Oh no! I'm going yellow. I'm going to be all yellow. Let's mix this one as well. Knead it all in. Let's add some more. I'll look a strange colour. I look like sunshine. Or a banana. Or maybe a daffodil. Or a bumblebee like Boris. Can you think of other things that are yellow? I'm nearly done. Once you've made your Play-Doh, I'd love to see some pictures of you making your Play-Doh and comments about how it's gone for you. Especially if you've made a big mess. Let's have a look. That's my yellow Play-Doh. Once you've made your Play-Doh, you can keep it in the fridge or in a Tupperware container. It'll keep for a good few days. However, if it's got a little messy, it's best to throw it away, especially right now. You can always make some more. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Goodbye. Bye from Boris. Zzz.